Well, for the first time, new research is showing that gene editing, that's when doctors and scientists use technology to change your DNA, can actually help cut down on high cholesterol. Now, this could impact millions of people in the U.S. who have this genetic condition that causes really high cholesterol. The scientists behind this study say it could eventually be a powerful new way to prevent heart attacks and even strokes. Dr. Kavita Patel is joining us now to help us understand how it all works. So without getting too technical here, help us understand, how does this work and how could it be a game changer?
Yeah, science is amazing. If you had told me in medical school that we would have something that surgically cuts genes down to the letter, if you remember how the genes look with that double helix and the kind of A's and the D's and the E's, it can literally clip out one of those letters. And that's what we're talking about, a technology called CRISPR. And that is what scientists looked at to try to tackle a gene that can result in high cholesterol.
And so they say, yes, we think we can do something about this, but it was a pretty small sample size here, right? So how are they able to draw these sort of conclusions? Yeah,
so what they were looking for is kind of proof of concept. That's really what having that 10-patient panel size does for you in a study like this. It's just, is this technically feasible? Does it actually result in clinical outcomes? And then can we track over longer term and short term any effects or things that are bad, safety issues that we would want to flag? So that's why it's 10, but the plans are to expand. And again, it can impact, just in the United States alone, millions of people who have this one particular expression of a gene, PCSK9, which actually helps clean out your body of bad cholesterol. So we're actually turning off a gene that helps produce bad cholesterol.
You know, I think about the fact that as we're talking, I realized I didn't take my allergy pill today. I didn't take my vitamin.
Me too.
Right.
I'm the same.
But you know, I think about, in this case, there are statins that people take to try to control cholesterol, but we know that people don't always remember to take the stuff that they're supposed to take. This would sort of eliminate human error when it comes to cholesterol.
We hope so. We still have a lot of those long-term questions, and then this was just 10 patients. Will we see this in other populations that have this gene expression? But it is a game changer, not just for high cholesterol, but all the other diseases we're applying it to: Alzheimer's, cancer. The FDA is going to be reviewing this type of technology, CRISPR, for sickle cell. It will change the lives, potentially, of billions when you think about this technology, and then applying it to what you just said. And if it makes you feel better, we're all human. I forget to take my medications. I did this morning. So I'll go home and do that.
Right, we'll both catch up today. I do have to wonder, though. I mean, we talk about the FDA. We look at how science happens. It doesn't typically move quickly.
No, it doesn't.
So when you look at something like this, how far out do you think we are from being able to apply this in a more practical way across all these different issues that
I do think that the next decade is going to be just a renaissance era in genetics, cell therapy, and those we've already gotten, like this study. We've already got the proof of concept, and then in other places, cell therapy and genetic therapies that can help with sickle cell, cystic fibrosis. We've got proof of concept and patients in trials. So we're in a really incredible position, Aaron. This is a little bit like a couple of decades ago when we started having more treatments for cancer. And today I can tell you a patient with advanced lung cancer, I can bring them to survival in 5 years. I couldn't say that a decade ago. Same for this technology.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app, or follow us on social media.